Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm here at the DataPath booth at InfoComm 2026. I'm going to talk about our VSN Mini 300. Now, this is a multi-purpose machine. It can be used as a video wall processor, very small scale. It's got 3 PCIe slots for capture and graphics cards, but it is a fully featured video wall processor. On the other hand, this could be used as one of our Atria workstation appliances. This will allow an operator to pull down any of the video sources that they might need to their workstation and operate them in a full KVM fashion. Now, this is a full-fledged Windows 11 PC, so in addition to running any of those local applications that an operator needs on day-to-day, such as their Outlook and Teams, we're adding another layer and allowing those operators to bring down full KVM sources, to bring down RTSP streams, and of course, simple web pages. If you have any questions on the VSN Mini 300, contact us at datapath.co.uk and we'll be more than happy to help.